Hey everyone, in today's video we're diving into the guts of sport car muffler. Get ready to see what's really inside and how it all works to deliver that amazing exhaust sound. This is the exhaust. I'm gonna take it off. Muffler itself just right behind this cover. Check this out. There is a two catalytic converters on the front and resonators in the middle of the car, of course. They make the huge difference on the sound of the car. But the muffler, I believe it's like a one piece. Let's take the cover off. So this one called active exhaust system. There is two valves on each side to make car quieter or louder, depends on which settings you are. When you're on sport mode, it opens up the valve for a bigger tube and it makes the car louder. Same thing on this one. So when you're on a comfort, it makes the car quieter. Check this out. This is a massive one. Whew. One cool thing about this exhaust system is that it is made from thick heavy-duty steel. This is Mercedes-Benz AMG's high-performance Valvetronic FI exhaust system, a masterpiece in engineering. This advanced technology lets you control airflow, sound volume, and boost overall performance and torque. It is amazing to see how much thought goes into creating that perfect roar. Let me tell you guys, this thing is heavy. Here is the valve that controls the exhaust flow, making the car louder, and it's mounted on a larger tube. I'm going to cut open the top of the muffler so we can get a look inside this beast. This is the moment of truth. Take a look inside this muffler. Here is the auto muffler pipe. When the valve closes on the larger pipe, the pressure is redirected to the smaller pipe, making the car quieter. Like and subscribe for more, and I will see you in next video.